Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune 3. I'm joined by Mr. Massive.
Steve Brouwer. Ja. Erik is straight to football. Ik football Brouwer. Firstly, congratulations to Sekhukhune.
Yes.
Sekhukhune played a massive football.
Yeah.
Helicopter football that we used to play.
Yeah.
Counter-attack, they used them.
Yeah.
They played massive football, they scored massive goals, and they collected massive 3 points that we needed.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I was happy to see our fans came in numbers.
Yeah.
But it was not our taste.
Yes, true.
Football, a game here, win, lose, and draw. Unfortunately, today it was our bad day. Guys, let's not drop the ball. No, we win at the game.
Yeah.
The games are not the same.
Yeah.
We need the spirit to come to the stadium.
Yeah.
We need to be behind the boys.
Yeah.
Thank you, Steve.
Solution. Man of the match.
Man of the match. Go for Magwaza or Gwazij. Problem. Our Gwazij. Who assisted a goal, I scored 2 goals.
Yeah.
Man of the match.
Thank you, man. Thank you.